So now we are going to understand how to edit this particular record. Okay, how to edit one particular record, that is what we are going to understand, right? So let us say here edit. I click on the edit button. So when I click on the edit button, it should go to another JSP page where it should show all this particular data. Okay, all this particular data in a separate form. Okay, so let us say here how can we do that. Means go to the view JSP. Let's say that delete, will close it here, and this also will close it. In the view students.jsp page, what I'm going to do here, it is, yeah, here we have already written, yeah, let me minimize this one. Okay, already we have written here edit, okay, edit hyperlink that we wrote here. So here I'm going to write edit, okay, edit student.jsp we are going to write here. Okay, so it will navigate to the student.jsp, and to that we have to pass the student ID. Okay, we have to pass the student ID. So here the student ID that I am going to pass. See, double single quote I got it. I delete this particular quote. Okay, fine. Means when I click on this particular edit button, I repeat, when I click on this edit button, what happens? It will navigate to this particular page, and to this page student ID will be passed. Okay, similar to this particular delete only. Okay, so therefore I have to create this particular file. So I am copying this one. I create the file. Okay, JSP files we have to create always in web app only. Okay, so we are developing the admin module. Therefore in the admin module, right click, go here, new, and add JSP file. See here I am going to paste that particular edit the student.jsp and finish it. Now one file is created. Now which form that we have to show here? Okay, which form that we have to show means whenever you are clicking on the edit, okay, whenever you clicking, sorry, when you click, sorry, refresh the page please. When you refresh the page, first of all, okay, when I click on the edit, what is happening? Yeah, now it's navigating to the edit student.jsp. Okay, but the thing here it is, I have not written any code, that is why it's not showing anything. Okay, which page it should show here? Okay, that is, let me show you, student, add student. Here this is the page it should show, and here it should show the existing details of the student. Here it will show, it should show that particular thing. Okay, so how can you do that? Means let me say, okay, let me show you that. Okay, fine, it didn't use any drop downs, no problem, right? So it is better that you have what I mean to say is a drop down here for the branch semester, also drop down. Okay, so let me show you first of all how to do that particular thing. Okay, so I'll go to the edit add student. In the add student, what I would like to do here, it is, see, branch better, I'll remove this particular thing, and I write in this place, what I'm going to do here, it is, this is, I'm going to write one select statement. Okay, this is select, name is equal to branch. Okay, class is equal to, okay, form control, not from control, that is form control. Okay, this is the option. So the option that I am going to give here, sorry, here that I am going to give the options. What the okay, let me say that option, what's the option is, oh, okay, I got wrong, OPTION, option. Okay, what the option is, first of all, select branch, like this you will be writing, select a branch. Okay, let me give you some branches here. This also you have to know, 4 branches let me give you. Okay, assume that the branch is what, first of all, the first branch is what, CSE. Okay, and here it is what, ECE, and here it is what, something triple E. Okay, and moreover, actually we should write mechanical engineering. Okay, we have to also provide here value. This is the value actually which will be CSE. Okay, for this CSE option, this is the value that it will reach to the, okay, the target page. So here let's say paste it, this also we write it. If you're not writing also it will work, there is no issue, but here I am going to change ECE, and here I am going to change triple E, and here I change mechanical engineering. Okay, So if you go to this form and if you refresh it, see, now you got what? The branch, this drop down, you got it. Similarly, semester also we will write semesters. Semester also we make it as drop down. Okay, so instead of this particular thing, sem, select, okay, name is equal to sem, okay, class is equal to form control, right? This is the what happens. Fine. What I have to write here? Option. Okay, option. What is that? Is select sem. Okay, select sem. That's it. Similarly, option value is equal to semester 1. Okay, 1. That's it. Similarly, how many semesters are there? Nearly 8 semesters are there. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me change the numbers. Here it is what? This is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I got one more extra. So here also we'll change it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay, so here again I refresh the page. Yeah, now this is what how we got the things. Okay, right. Now we'll continue this particular thing, please. Students, view students. Now I'm going to perform the edit operation. So when you click on the edit operation, now you have to get the form which is very similar to this add form. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this complete code, add student.jsp code, and I put in editStudent.jsp. See, completely I'm going to paste over here. That's it. Okay, so let me go here and refresh it. Yeah, student, view students, then I click on this edit button. So you got the page. Okay, and the title will change here. It is not add student, edit student. Therefore we'll change the title here. What's the title here? It is, let me here, edit. See, observe carefully, edit student. Okay, now I got the edit student, right? Now the data should fill here. Here the data should be filled. Existing student details should fill. Which student? 1002 student data it should fill here. Okay. For that I have to write the database code. So I am going to write the database code here. See, here I am going to write the database code in a separate scriptlet tag. So JSP code I am writing. So how to get the database code? Connection con is equal to, okay, db connection dot get connection. Okay, right, you got the connection. If connection is equal to null, okay, null, that already wrote here. If connection is equal to null, then generally we write pw dot println, okay, h2, okay, database connection error, then h2 close, immediately return, like this we write. Okay, right, database connection completed. Sorry, not pw, out.println. Out is a predefined object in the JSP, right? So now we have to get the record. Okay, we have to get the record. So query is, let's say that string I write. Okay, what is the query? The query is select star from, which table? Select star from student where student ID is equal to question mark. Okay, this is what happens with it. Okay, select star from student where student ID is equal to this one. So without writing the code also we can see view students, already this code is present. See, here database code is present. This code I can directly take here. This code directly I can take here. See, I'll take this code directly from here. Okay, instead of the view student showing all records, here it should show only one record. So let me copy paste this particular thing, Control V. Okay, Control V, and what I am going to do is I'll continue this code, please. Okay, so this is a database connection error. Select start from student where, what is it? Where student ID is equal to question mark. Okay, next. So the student ID, we have to read it or not. So here I am going to read the student ID. What is that is string student ID is equal to, how to read the URL parameter. This parameter you have to read, okay, student ID. That is request dot get parameter of, okay, parameter of, what is that is student ID, right? Student ID, that's it, we got the student ID. Now, okay, this query is prepared and this query is created for the prepared statement. Now to this parameter 1 we have to set the student ID. So how to set that one, please? PS dot, okay, what is that? Set integer dot parse int of, okay, student ID. That's it, finished. Okay, so the student ID what we read is converted into what, integer, and set it to the prepared statement, and prepared statement is executed and the records are loaded into RS. So how many records you will get? Only one record you will get. So only one record you will get. Therefore, now we write, here we are writing while loop. Here we are writing while loop, but we should write while loop means multiple records you are getting there. But here you will get only one record. That is what we write if. Okay, if condition we write. So if rs dot next, if rs dot next, okay, if the record is present, if the record is present, if the record is read successfully, then only this page it should display. Okay, so this if we have opened here and the Java code closed completed here. So this after this HTML code, okay, here I am going to write, here I am going to write, okay, where here in the between the form. So let me show you, okay, complete form. Okay, in the form I am going to write, here I close it. Okay, so scriptlet tag I open, here I close that if statement I am going to close here. That's it. Okay, so if statement, and this particular try also I have to close. Okay, try is opened here, if is closed, but the try is not closed, therefore I am going to close the try block also. Okay, means catch, you have to write catch exception. Okay, exception, and I can say that E. Okay, then out dot println, okay, error something, just simply I write the error message. Okay, E. That's it, finished. Okay, now this, all errors are gone now. Okay, fine. Let me once again refresh this page, that nothing will happen here. Okay, what happens is there is a connection error you are getting. What is the error is, that you have to identify the errors also, please. Okay, so prepared statement cannot be resolved to a type. Okay, prepared statement cannot be resolved to a type. Let me show you this, the code where it is written edit code. Okay, see, we are getting some errors here. Okay, prepared statement is not imported. So again control, okay, control spacebar, IntelliSense, import it. Okay, save it, it will go. Now result set also, okay, set int here, parameter number we have not given, please, here. Okay, parameter name, this parameter number is 1 that I have given now. Okay, parameter number, question mark, parameter number 1. Result set also not imported, so control space bar. Okay, now imported, everything is fine. Okay, now I go to the browser, refresh the page, and the page is displayed, but data you didn't get it. Okay, where the data is present? The data is present in this RS. Okay, now I am going to show here student ID. So in this particular student ID, let me say student ID, I have to write here, what is that is value is equal to, see, value is equal to some value I am giving. Let me show you that value. Okay, see, this whatever the value that you give, that value you are getting here, see. Okay, but which value I should get? The value present in this RS student ID. Okay, so value is equal to, I am writing some Java code, rs dot get int of, okay, what's the column name is student ID column name, like this we have to get it. Okay, so this student ID 1002 103, that ID it will get from this column, it will get the value and it will show as a value for this particular, okay, text tag, text form tag. Okay, so let us see. See 1002, you got it because student ID is 1002. Similarly, how to get the name? How to get the name? I copy paste this particular thing. Okay, Control V, right? Now tell me which one I have to get it. That is full name. What's the column name? See the column name, full name. Okay, full name. So full name it is going to show. Save it. Now once again you get back here, refresh it. Got the full name. Sorry, something went wrong. Yes. What is that getting went wrong here? Here full name is a string variable, string column, varchar column. Varchar column means we have to say get string. Okay, get a string. So therefore again I refresh it. Got it, the Vamshi. Okay, suppose you'll get back here. Suppose this Rachana is there. Click on the edit. Now you'll get 1004 and Rachana. Got it? Right. Similarly, we'll get the other values. Okay. So this copy paste. Control C. Here I am going to paste it. Where it is? Better not to give the any spaces. That is very good idea. Okay. What about the address? Address means in the text area. In the text area you have to give, but don't give the value, please. Don't give the value. Just the RS. This particular Java code you have to write. Don't give the value. Directly you have to substitute the value in the text area. So what is that? Is address. Address. See column name. Check the column name, please. Address. Okay. Right. Now let me go here and refresh it. Fine. You got the Warangal. Okay. Similarly, how to get the branch? In the branch, this is above. This is first option. You have to get it. Okay. Option. Okay. Close the option. Please. Now I have to say that value is equal to, yeah, here we have to specify value is equal to, what is that? Is branch. The same value, okay, the same thing that I have to substitute here also. See, here also I have to substitute. Okay, right. Let me show you the branch. This is the branch. See, I got the branch EC. But if you want to select another one, you can select from here. Okay, the first option will be the existing branch. Okay, existing branch of the student. Similar to this one, we have to now show the semester. So in the sem also I have to show the sem. Okay, just write the column name. What's the column name is? Sem. Sorry, sem. And here also I write the sem. Okay, right. Now similar to this, how to get the mobile? Mobile means we'll copy from here. Value here, value is okay. Control C. Okay. Mobile. Okay, here I paste it. Give some space. Here I give the column name is mobile, and here it is what email. Email is also I am going to give the email. Okay, email, and I repeat, don't try to change the image. Okay, image. If you want to do the changes to the image, again that is a separate concept. Actually, we should not do the edit to the image. Okay, delete it. Right, save it. Is okay. And password also, if you want to change, if you want to allow to change the password, yes, you also provide the password over here. So that password can also be changed by this particular thing. But we should not allow password also the admin to change. If you want, you can allow. Okay, otherwise not required. Okay, so here it is what I want to say is update student. I write here update student. Okay, right, this is what is happening here. It is. Let me go here, refresh it. See, you got update student. Okay, and if you got any extra spaces, then you type here break line and break line like this. You can type so that you will get some extra spaces, so that it will be very neat. Okay, if you want to get the center of the page, actually we are not bootstrap. Okay, MD. Okay, fine. So what we can do here, it is if you want to get the center of the page, text center. Okay, text center we will get or not, let us see that. Otherwise we have to make it text center. No, we didn't get it, right? Otherwise in this case you will not get, because we are not using the grid control. Yeah, center tag you can use, no problem. Center tag, center the control X and control V, right? Control C. Right, like this we can get it. Update student, right? Fine. So we got everything or not? Fine. and you do changes here, whatever the changes that you want to do, the changes you do the changes, and these changes we have to update now. Okay, when you click on the update student, now we have to work with it. Okay, so when you click on the update student button, submit button, what should happen please? Yeah, the data will go to the form action. So as there is no image, we have to remove this particular encrypt type, right? Method is equal to post. Now to which page it should reach? So it should reach to the edit student underscore code.jsp. I'm going to write, means for this particular page only this is a code.jsp. Okay, now the data will reach to the edit student code.jsp. Here we have to write the database programming to update the record. So let me write one more record in the admin module. Right, I create one JSP file, control V, yes. Okay, now so what is happening please? Yeah, edit student. So whatever the data that you fill and you click on, when you click on the update student, it will navigate to edit student code.jsp. So this is the code. Now which code that you have to copy paste here? So the copy paste code is very similar. So now we are going to copy this particular add student servlet. Okay, add student servlet code that we are copying. Okay, so the edit code should be similar to add student code only. Okay, so I am copying the do post. So from here retrieve form data from here to, okay, from here I copy paste in this particular edit student code.jsp here, control A, control V. Okay, but what are the things that are not required? Okay, and we have to put let me control Z it. First of all, we have to write scriptlet tag, because all this is Java code. So in the JSP file we have to put the code in a scriptlet tag. So Java code we are copy pasting. Okay, so there are some import statements are missing. That import statements how to do, let us understand. Okay, so let me put a tab here, one tab here for indentation. Right, good. So it is reading the student ID, full name, address, SEM, mobile, password. Okay, password it is reading. Okay, but it's not at all reading this particular thing. What is that? Is image. Okay, image is not required, therefore this image is not required. If you see he edit student, in the edit student.jsp, you can see that there is no please, what is that? Is no image. So that is why image I am not taking here. Multipart data is also not required here. Okay, I delete this particular thing. All the code which is related to this particular upload image I am deleting. And for this one, import statements. Okay, activate the IntelliSense, control space bar. Okay, press enter, control space bar, press enter, so that it will be imported at the top. Okay, this is next driver manager also. Okay, delete, press enter. Right, fine. But what is the update query that you have to write now? Now it is not insert query, it is what? Update query, please. Okay, what is update query? Let me show you here, please. Update query is like this. The update queries, this is the update query. Let me copy paste over here. Okay, right, control C and get back here, and I'm going to paste this one, control V. Okay, see, update student set student ID is equal to question mark. Okay, full name is equal to question mark, address is equal to question mark, branch is equal to question mark, SEM is equal to question mark, mobile number, email, password, where student ID is equal to, again question mark I have to put here. Okay, right. Totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parameters are there. Then 9 parameters. So now we are creating the one prepare statement object, and we are setting the values to the parameters, 9 parameters. Okay, here student ID, there also we are applying the student ID. Okay, so therefore here we are writing all the 9 parameters, we are setting the values. Okay, because already we are reading this particular form data here, and we are applying the, okay, here, and we are executing. Okay, prepare statement dot execute update means here one will get what? Rows. If the record is updated successfully, it returns what? 0, otherwise it returns 1. So if rows is greater than 0, so where it should go again? Where it should go means again it should redirect to view students dot JSP page with response to I am give. 2 means, okay, update success. Okay, okay. Similarly, if it is otherwise update is failed. Okay, updation failed. Updation failed means the 3 updation failed. This is what I can write it. Okay, right. And all these things are not required here, please. Right. And here also we navigate to where? Okay, if you get an error, updation failed. If you get an error also, updation failed. Therefore, we'll give the same response, only 3. Okay, this is what is happening. Once again, I'll tell you, please, whatever the data that you are doing changes in this edit student JSP means, let me show you this one, please. See, when I click on the edit, okay, when I click on the edit and I do changes here, and when I click on the submit, okay, this data will reach to this particular thing. So it is going to read all the form control data. Now it is preparing one update statement and setting all the parameters, and it is executing the query, and again redirecting to the view students JSP only. Same view JSP only it is updating. See, it's reaching to the same page only. Okay, right. Now what we are going to do here, it is, let's say that now in the view.jsp, see what is the value that you are getting, please. In view students.jsp, 2 I am getting. Okay, 2 response 2 means I have to write the code here. So 1 means deleted successfully, 0 means, please, 0, else if response dot equals, okay, equals 0 means okay, this is what. Now I write one more condition here, control C, and here I am going to put control V, but double flower base I am getting, I remove it here. If it is 2 means what I need to write here, please. So suppose primary means I write info. Okay, info is the color, info, and it is what, updated, update success, let's say that success is the ID. Okay, so student updated successfully. Okay, successfully, right. Similarly, I write here, from here I copy paste. Okay, control C, and here I paste it. So if your response is 3 means what? Update failed, okay. Then student not updated is the message that we are going to give, not updated, right? But this is success, please. Okay, right. So this is what is happening here, it is. So what is the ID, please? Update success, update failed. Okay, so I'll get back to this particular thing. Here I am going to write same here, control C, control V. This is for what? What is that? Is update success ID. Okay, yes, you see, yes, success ID. Okay, similarly I paste one more time, and here update failed. Okay, this is what happening, right? Let me save it and I go here, refresh it. Okay, so let me say Vamshi Krishna is there, edit. Okay, edit Vamshi Krishna I am taking, removing, and I am writing Mallikarjun. Okay, and Hyderabad I am changing Hyderabad, let's say 1111 like this, and I click on update student, and see here, if you observe, okay, let me close this one first of all, close it, and you see that Mallikarjun is changed, Vamshi Krishna to, and Hyderabad 1111. Like this we can update the data. Is that clear, right? So this is what happening. So but it's not closing. Okay, success, you got it. Student updated successfully, but it's not closing. Okay, it should after 2 seconds it should close actually. Why it is? Let me say that this is success failed, update success. Okay, 2 means student updated successfully. Now this ID we have to copy paste, get back to here, same ID here given, control V. Okay, update success, right. Let me give it, yeah, now it's working fine. Okay, that ID name that I have written wrong. Okay, fine. So this is how can we delete it. So I have explained the delete option. Please once again you see, this is what delete. So the record is deleted. Okay, fine. Say edit means it is going to Rachana updated. This is what I am going to make it, right. Then Warangal, Telangana I am removing here. Okay, from CSE is there, Rachana I make it to what, Tribly. Okay, semester 1, that is what, semester 8. Then I update it. See, Rachana details have been updated. So Rachana Warangal Tribly 8. Okay, so this is what, please.